Hello friends, welcome to my channel Archie Chaudhary. How are you all doing? I hope you all are doing fine. Friends, today somebody asked me how can we know that we have psoriasis or eczema or any other skin problem. So friends, you have to go to a doctor and find out first what you have, whether it's an eczema, whether it's just a skin rash, or whether it's psoriasis. So when you come to know from the doctor, any skin doctor, and the doctor says you have eczema, I've already posted a video about eczema, what you can do, home remedies, and what and all goes with it. But psoriasis, it's a new topic today which I can speak about, and I'll be speaking about psoriasis today. Psoriasis are patches, friends, where you get patches on your skin and it stays for there for a long time and it becomes a red patch and you feel like itching, and sometimes there's a bloody discharge also. So that's how, and it's you all often get it even at the back of your necks, your hands, mostly on the hands, it's on the top layer, and sometimes underarms, and sometimes on the legs, and full legs actually, and internal organs also you can see that you have psoriasis. So once you have psoriasis, the first thing is that you should take a shower with a very mild shampoo, and you make your own shampoo actually. Whatever body wash you use, you can add some aloe vera in it and little coconut oil and make it a shampoo and keep it in one container all the times when you're taking a shower, and you can take a shower with that so that no much harsh chemicals will touch your skin, friends. So that is the first thing. And second thing is you have to sit under the sun. I mean, have vitamin D at least. Either sit in a car where the sunlight can touch your skin, and sit in the house where the sunlight is very nice, and you can have that room for yourself where you can sit, and that will also help you, friends. And the second thing is that you can apply coconut oil. And coconut oil, I have told you so much about coconut oil that you can use it all from your head to toe actually. So coconut oil is used by everyone, a man, woman, every child, even a newborn baby. After he comes home or the baby comes home, you can apply coconut oil even for a baby. It is that safe. So coconut oil is the best for all skin problems and skin types, and it suits 99.9 people, friends. So coconut oil. So, and you should be in a warm place actually. If you are in a cold country like in America, it is hard for psoriasis patients and all, because then you need to move to a different climate actually, or a different place. So location matters, but humid place is again not good because you sweat out so much, and again it increases mostly. So you should see to it that you're in a warmer place and a good place actually, and keep your environment clean and all. So friends, and first thing is that whoever has psoriasis should never take some foods together. Like some foods together, I mean that they should not take salmon and milk together, because that causes skin problems. And you should never take um, okra and karela, which is bitter gourd. You should never take those two vegetables together. And cottage cheese with spinach, you should never take those two together also, because they all have they combine with each other, they give bad reaction inside your body, friends. So milk should not be taken, yogurt should not be taken with salmon, and all the sea products that causes very bad skin reactions, and the vegetables which I told you. And a person needs to keep the skin moist all the time by applying coconut oil. And if you have to go to the doctor, and if the doctor says you need Humira injections or Humira tablets or something like that, and steroids, you have to listen to your doctor. But at home you can always apply coconut oil mixed with neem. I've always showed you on my facial how I had done my neem facial with oil, so it is that safe. So you can mix all those together and use aloe vera, friends. Aloe vera is also very good for psoriasis. So you should not mix up foods and some things which will give chemical reaction to the skin. And this is how psoriasis has to be treated. You have to be under your guidance of your doctor. But home remedies are never eat the fish and milk products with each other. No sugary stuff, no this one. And you should have a good coconut oil always ready. And shampooing and taking a shower, you have to make your own shampoo and body wash by applying lots of aloe vera and coconut and mix it with that and keep it in the bowl, friends. So that and all little things are there which you should take care and be in a warmer country and a hot country where the temperatures are at least around 80-85 degrees. That suits. If you are in a cooler climate, it will make the skin problems go more worse. So I hope this little information which I gave you on psoriasis, you all liked it. And if you all liked it, like it, share it, and subscribe it, friends. Bye. Till then, have a great day.